here's how you add 4% to a conversion value. Here's GTM. We have our Google Ads conversion tracking tag here. Make sure it's set to fire on the correct page. It's passing currently a data layer variable for value in the conversion value area. So we need to modify that. We need to add 4% to that. So let's go over to the variables section. Click on new. Call it value with percent added. You can call it whatever you like. Custom JavaScript. Type in function, open and close bracket, curly brace, var a equals the value that we already have. And then we're just going to say multiplied by 1.04, semicolon, and then we're going to return a, semicolon, close bracket. We're going to hit save. Then we're going to go to our tag. Click on Google Ads conversion tracking tag. Click on the one that you want specifically. Remove the existing value variable and then add the one that you just made. In my case, it's value dash with percent added. Click save. Okay. Submit, publish, continue. All right. Here's our test site. Give it a quick refresh. I'm using 123 as the value for order value. On the DOM here, it says order number, but I'm using it as value. Now, if we look at Tag Assistant, here's conversion value, and there is 4% added. Okay, so that successfully worked. Hopefully that was helpful. Thanks very much.